gusto niyang karne? Ha? Karne ng mga ahas. Because that's not a real snake, huh? That's just a rubber snake. But what we want to show you is because if that was a real snake, then I would say that the eagle did an intelligent job. Kung nakita nyo, talagang hinawakan niya sa bandang ulo yung ahas, di ba? Naisipin nyo, kung hindi niya hahawakan niya sa ulo, oh, there's a chance that the snake will get back at it and hurt the bird. That's why we say that our eagles very intelligent. No? Kahit nag-iisip. No? Nag-iisip bago gumawa ng isang bagay. O, may mga tao dyan, hindi nag-iisip. Pataka lang ba sa ilang mga ginabuhat? Di ba maguna-una? No?